All right, here we go. Question number 12 from our 1316 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. It says use the half angle formulas to find the exact value of the trigonometric function. And here they want us to find sine of 112.5 degrees. So the first thing we need to do is understand that it says half angle formula, which means that we're going to be using a formula for sine of theta over 2. So here we know that theta over 2 has to be 112.5 degrees. And if we solve that for theta, we can see that our theta is going to be 225 degrees, okay? So that is the angle theta, but we're looking for sine of 112.5 degrees. Remember, in the unit circle, sine is y, correct? And if we think about the unit circle, 112.5 degrees is going to be in quadrant 2. So what is sine in the second? Well, y is positive in the second, so sine is going to be positive. So whatever this answer is, it's going to have to be a positive answer. And that is our 50-50. That's going to throw out answer choice C and D and answer choice F and G, because those all have negative answers, but this answer is going to have to be positive, okay? Just helping you understand how to do process of elimination here. So the next step is to find the formula for sine of theta over 2. So if we go to our half angle formulas, we can see that it's going to be plus or minus. Now that, again, that doesn't mean that you can choose whatever you feel like. It means it's going to be either plus or minus based on the quadrant the angle is in, okay? And this formula is square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 2. So we know that this answer is going to be square root of 1 minus cosine theta, which is our 225 that we calculated, all over 2. Now, from the 4 answer choices that are left, which one says 1 minus cosine theta? That's going to be answer choice H. And you do have to fill in the theta. Okay? Next step. The exact value of the trigonometric function is. And so now we're going to need to actually work this out. 1 minus, we're going to need to know what is the x coordinate at 225 degrees, okay? Well, 225, what is that? That's in quadrant 3, and the x coordinate at 225 is negative square root of 2 over 2. So this is going to replace cosine of 225, negative square root of 2 over 2, all over 2. And then we're going to need to simplify that, okay? So converting the 1 into a fraction, that's going to be 2 over 2 minus a negative square root of 2 over 2, all over 2. And then 2 negatives here make a plus. That's going to be square root of 2 plus square root of 2, all over, and then this is where these are going to combine and make all over 4. And the square root of 4 is 2. And so this should be our final answer. And what I would like to do real quick is I'd like to check that with MyLab Math. Well, not MyLab Math. I'd like to check it with the calculator. What am I saying? Sine of 112.5 in degree mode. Sine of 112.5 is, whoops, my calculator gave a decimal. It didn't actually give this answer, But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check and see if this answer is correct, okay? If I put the radical answer in the calculator and it comes up to be the same decimal answer, then I know that the answer is correct, okay? So I'm going to write that down. That is 0.92388 rounded. 0.92388 approximately. And so now let's put that square root answer in the calculator and see if we get the same approximate value. Equals 0.92388 rounded. So I feel really good about this answer, okay? That's how you can use the calculator to at least help you feel better about your answer. It may not always give you the answer, but it can help you verify. And fingers crossed. And we're done. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.